If you use a credit card, stop scrolling. These are the 5 mistakes silently draining your money. And how to fix them today. Mistake number 1, treating a credit card like free money. It's not. It's a high-interest loan with a shiny plastic smile. The fix: reframe it as a debit card with rewards. Only swipe for stuff you already plan to buy. Track your spend in real time. Set a weekly 5-minute check-in. If it's not in the budget, it doesn't hit the card. Mistake number 2, paying only the minimum. Or worse, thinking you need to carry a balance to build credit. That's a myth. Carrying a balance costs interest. It doesn't help your score. The fix: pay in full, every month. If you can't, automate more than the minimum, like the statement balance, so interest doesn't snowball. Even an extra $50 per month cuts months off your payoff. Mistake number 3, missing your due date. One late payment can trigger a fee, naubersu, penalty, APR, aber sum, so, and a credit score drop that sticks for years. The fix: on autopay and redundancy. Turn on autopay for at least the minimum. Set 2 reminders, one a week before, one 2 days before. Align due dates with your payday. If you mess up, call the issuer immediately and ask for a one-time courtesy waiver. It works more often than you think. Mistake number 4, high utilization. That's the percentage of your credit you're using right now. Over 30% can ding your score. Under 10% looks great. The fix: spread purchases across cards. Request a credit limit increase after 6 to 12 months of on-time payments. Make an extra mid-cycle payment before the statement closes. Your reported balance drops, your utilization improves, your score breathes. Mistake number 5, opening and closing cards recklessly. Chasing sign-up bonuses can be fun, but too many hard inquiries in a short time hurts approvals. Closing your oldest card can shorten your credit history. It can also spike utilization. The fix: be intentional. Apply when a card fits your actual spend, not because the bonus looks shiny. Keep your oldest, no-fee card open to preserve your history. If a card has an annual fee you no longer want, ask to downgrade instead of closing. Quick recap: budget first. Pay in full. Automate payment safety nets. Keep utilization low. Be strategic with new accounts. Do just those, and you'll avoid 90% of credit card pain. I've spent years studying personal finance and testing these systems so you don't have to. If this helped, hit like so more people dodge these traps. Drop a comment with the mistake you're quitting today, and I'll reply with a personalized fix. Want a one-page checklist with all the steps? Check the description. I've put it there for you. You don't need perfect credit to win. You just need a simple plan you actually use. Start today. Your future self will thank you.